Hello, this is Subjar, and today I'm going to talk about Twitch Affiliate Program. What it is a TV show. You can watch movies, TV shows. You can sign up for their little brief history about it. It started in 2011 by Justin Can. It's a live stream broadcast on gaming and discussion on a variety of topics. Has over 9.7 million users on it already. So how you earn money on it? Earn commission on subscriptions, game sales, and bits. Game sales earn 5% revenue on sale of $4.99 plus. If a game costs $4.99 or plus, you gain 5% of that revenue. This can be purchased by viewers and to monetize for affiliates. You need 50 followers within 30 days in order to qualify for the program. So they have 3 subscription plans: $4.99, $9.99, and $24.99. Here's the website. Streaming is fun games. This is for gaming. So gamers can make money from a simple from there. This is a subscription based, so $4.99, $9.99 to $4.99. What it would present you is ad-free viewing, subscriber badges, and 26 emoticons during subscribers only. Which was subscription. Then they tell you who are the winners to own the most bits, and they have different variety of game sales. Buy this game for $60, so forth. Or to qualify, you need 50 followers within 30 days if you have a game like one for YouTube or something like that. You can put on Twitch. 500 total minutes broadcast, 7 unique broadcast days. So do about 7 days of broadcasting. And average about 3 or more users in order to meet their invitation how to sign up. Qualified streamers will be invited by email notification announcement in their dashboard. Invitations will continue to be sent out on a rolling basis as new streamers qualify for the program. Once the streamer has been invited, a new section will appear on their setting tab, allowing them to register for the program and enable bits. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with everyone so they know about Twitch Affiliate Program, so gamers can know how to earn extra income. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.